Just outside of Bartonsville, Pennsylvania, there's a hidden slice of history and nature, the Rail Gap Nature Preserve. Managed by the Poconos Heritage Land Trust, this preserve protects over 150 acres of forests, wetlands, and wildlife habitat along what used to be a vital railroad corridor. The Western Side Trail, part of the preserve, follows the path of the former Wilkes-Barre and Eastern Railroad, a once busy line that operated from the late 1800s through the early 20th century. We saw a rusting Ford Model A Coupe that looks to be from the 1930s, abandoned in the woods and slowly being reclaimed by nature. No one quite knows how it got here, but it's been sitting for decades, a decaying monument to the past. This looks like some old farm equipment. What's this? Here's another old car. While walking this trail today, you'll mostly hear the rustling of the leaves and the chirping of the birds, though at times the peaceful vibe gets interrupted by the steady drone of nearby highway traffic. But don't let that stop you from hiking here. There are treasures hidden here, like the old car that we saw. You can hear the highway now, and soon you can see it also. The trail is well marked. We didn't get lost. You could see the white signs on the trees. That's the Pocono Creek, and the highway is right behind it. I was curious why there's a stone wall there, and there's also these pink markings. I don't know what they're for. There's the view of the highway. It says the Pocono Creek is in 100 feet. Where's the Pocono Creek? I thought we just passed it. The All Trails app gave me a notification that the Pocono Creek was 100 feet away. Well, it was 100 feet from what we were just looking at before. The sounds of nature again. We're past the highway. As you near the end of the trail, you'll come across another relic, a tall wooden water tower. From rusting cars to railroad ghosts, the Rail Gap Nature Preserve is more than just a trail. It's a living museum, a place where nature and forgotten industry coexist. It's recording. If you're ever in Monroe County, bring your boots, your camera, and your curiosity, and take a walk through Pennsylvania's forgotten railroad history. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.